Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to make a super easy face mask using just a t-shirt, hair ties, or an old pantyhose, and optional paperclip. This is the same method that the CDC put out on their website, but I'm adding a few extra tips and tricks. So the first thing you want to do is check the tag of an old t-shirt. A 2013 Cambridge University study testing the effectiveness of homemade masks said that a cotton blend is more effective than 100% cotton. So what I'm working with here is 90% cotton, 10% polyester. In an average adult size t-shirt, the size you're gonna wanna work with is basically just cut across from pit to pit and use this side. So the method we're doing here is pleated. The way you want to do that is take your top half and fold it in to the middle, and also the bottom half and fold it into the middle. Like this. Like this. And then you're going to flip it over and do the same thing again. That and like that. Now, you can either use hair ties, or for a potentially more comfortable fit, cut loops out of an old pantyhose. So I'm gonna do that because I tried it out and I think it's more comfortable. Mine are kind of stretchy, so I have to double it on each side. Okay. Now, and after you folded it, you're gonna flip it again. Forgot that part. Okay. So then from here, you just take your bands, put them on each side. And this is gonna be the inside of your mask. So then you're gonna fold these over. I like to leave a little room in the middle because that's where your nose and your mouth are gonna go. So you kind of want some room to breathe. Now, to wear the mask, you're gonna put it on your face and then use the top pleated fold to push it up over your nose a little bit farther, and then that'll kind of create a better seal. So I'll show you. Now the mask should work pretty well, just like that. But if you want a bit more of like a seal over your nose, that's where the paperclip comes in. We found that if you like bend it, you can kind of make a little bridge for your nose and then stick it up into that top pleat of the mask, and it should help like seal it to your face better. So take your paperclip, take the two loops at the bottom and pull them out like that. And you're gonna twist these bottom loops like out as in front, like this. Step one. And then you can kind of like bend them, bend this up, bend this side. This paper clip's kind of malleable, but it's still a little tough. So you've kind of got a little bridge. It looks like that. Be careful when you're like making these and kind of like putting it up against your nose to test it because of these. So be careful of your eyes. But you can kind of just rest it against your nose to see like how it'll fit. It's not gonna be perfect, but I think it helps when you put it in the mask. So here's my little bridge, and I'll show you how to put in the mask. So you're gonna put your mask on first, do the technique I showed you before where you kind of tuck up the top pleat, and then you'll put your bridge in with like the pointy parts down. So. Just be careful when you're taking your mask off because this little thing is likely to just fall right out. So be mindful of that when you're taking your mask off so you don't lose it. That's it. These masks are really great. I've been wearing one around. I like that it's recycled from old material and it's reusable. You can take the little loops off and put this in the wash. And if you really want to sterilize it super well, you can put it in boiling water and that'll do the trick. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.